In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank deposit payment method in Shopify. By the end, your checkout will include a clear option for customers to place an order and pay by depositing funds directly into your bank account. Perfect for B2B sales, local buyers, or regions where card usage is limited. First, open your Shopify admin and sign into your store. We'll be working entirely inside the admin dashboard, so make sure you have the right permissions to manage payments. From the admin, head to Settings at the bottom left corner. This is where Shopify keeps all your store-wide controls, including your payments setup. Inside Settings, choose Payments. This page shows the payment providers you're using now and gives you options for adding manual methods, which are exactly what we need for bank deposits. Scroll to the Manual Payment Methods section and select Add Manual Payment Method. Manual methods don't charge processing fees through Shopify, but remember, you'll confirm payments yourself, so have a process ready for verifying deposits and marking orders as paid. From the list, choose Bank Deposit. Depending on your region, you might see it labeled as Bank Transfer or Direct Bank Transfer. Pick the option that matches bank deposits for your area. This tells customers they can place an order and pay offline via a bank payment. Next, you'll see fields to configure how this method appears at checkout and what instructions customers will receive. Use a clear display name like Bank Deposit, then add precise payment instructions. Include your business bank name, account number, routing, or IBAN or SWIFT details as applicable, and any reference note you want customers to include, such as the order number. Keep it professional and consistent. Ideally, use a dedicated business account. You can also add an optional message that appears after checkout, reminding customers of the deposit deadline and that the order won't ship until payment is received. Review the summary that shows how customers will see this option during checkout. Double-check spelling, account details, and any deadlines or terms. Consider adding a simple payment window like "Please complete the deposit within 48 hours" to reduce abandoned orders and keep your fulfillment queue clean. When everything looks good, click Activate Bank Deposit. Shopify saves your settings and adds the method to your checkout. After activation, place a quick test order to confirm the wording and flow. When real payments come in, verify the bank deposit in your account, then mark the order as paid in Shopify so fulfillment can proceed. That's it. Your bank deposit payment method